goal. So without further ado, let's get started. Did you know that 95% of drivers across the US have experienced some kind of undrivable vehicle on at least one occasion? You know, it makes sense. We live in a country filled with 300 plus million individuals, and it's almost impossible to leave your home and not find a vehicle that's broken down on the side of the street and they're trying to get called for roadside assistance or any kind of service to help them. Out of those 95% of drivers, 74% of them had had a flat tire, and 45% of those drivers had some kind of mechanical breakdown. So let's say you blew your gasket, or maybe your battery died. You know, there's a lot of different things that could happen on the road, so you always need to have something to protect you 24/7. And did you know that 1 out of 5 US drivers will receive a speeding ticket this year? In 2017, the time of making this video, there are over 300 million citizens living in this country. So 20% of those would be over 60 million individuals that are going to receive a speeding ticket this year. And let's look at the average cost. The average cost of a speeding ticket is going to be about $152 per ticket. About 112,000 tickets are given on a daily basis, and $6.2 billion in tickets will be given per year. That right there is an insane amount of money, and we want to help you get that reduced to zero. So right here, this is an actual screenshot from one of my personal customers' accounts. So back in December of 2014, he got a ticket for careless driving. So what happened was he told me, hey, Justin, I got into this accident on the road and the police officer gave me a ticket. What can MCA do to help me? And I said, don't worry about it. Stay calm. All you have to do is call the phone number on the back of your MCA membership card, and they're going to help you take care of everything. So what happened was he called the phone number on the back of his membership card, and MCA immediately appointed him an attorney. The attorney went to court. The attorney fought the case and he won. The attorney called him back a few days later and he said, hey, congratulations, I fought off the ticket and you owe me nothing. All of that came from the MCA service. But of course, I have to say this, MCA does not guarantee that they're going to win 100% of the cases that they fight for you in court. But what I can tell you is that they have over a 92% success rate in defending their members in court with their TVC lawyers, which is pretty fantastic if you ask me. Now let's go into more of the benefits that you're provided here with the MCA membership. You're provided with 24/7 roadside assistance, and this is unlimited. Here's an example. You can get emergency towing up to 100 miles per tow to any destination of your choice. Do you know somebody that's a mechanic? Do you know somebody that can help you and they're car savvy, but you're not? But let's say you don't want to go to a dealership, you don't want to go to a mechanic that you don't know, and they're going to charge you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to work on your car. Well, you can get MCA to tow your vehicle to your friend's house that's a mechanic, and they can help you out if you really want to. That's one scenario that we notice a lot of our customers are using it for, so they can save money that way. We also provide you with jump start, flat tire change, fuel delivery, lockout service. Any situation that you're going to encounter on the road, MCA would be there to assist you. So now let's go on to legal defense coverage. MCA pays your attorney fees for covered auto police charges, up to $200 for covered moving violations, up to $500 covered auto-related personal injury matters, up to $500 covered vehicle damage issues, up to $2,000 for covered auto-related negligent homicide or vehicular manslaughter. Now those are some pretty insane benefits that you're going to get all in one big package. Now let's go into the emergency travel benefits. MCA is going to provide you with car rental coverage up to $500 for a rental car if your covered auto is not drivable due to an auto accident. So let's say you get into a serious accident and you can't drive your vehicle anymore. So what are you going to do if you're driving down the road and you completely wreck your car, right? Obviously you can't drive your car anymore because it's wrecked and you have to go get it fixed. So what you can do is you can go get a rental car, and MCA is going to cover it up to $500 so you can drive that car in the meantime while your regular car is getting fixed. And we have a stolen vehicle reward. So if your car is stolen, MCA will help get it back faster by offering a $5,000 reward. Keep in mind that this reward cannot be paid to the member or a relative of the member. So that right there is just one less reason a thief is going to want to steal your car, because in your membership package you receive by mail, you're able to attach this sticker to the driver's side window of your car stating that there is a $5,000 reward going to the person that provides information leading to the arrest and conviction of the thief. So a thief is going to think twice before stealing your car. MCA also provides you a farm and ranch reward. So they're going to pay a $500 reward for information leading to the arrest and conviction of anyone stealing your livestock, saddle and tack, trailers, or farm equipment. Once again, the reward cannot be paid to the member or a relative of the member. This is just another benefit to have, especially if you live on a farm. We also have credit card protection. So if your credit cards are stolen, MCA will cover any false charges up to $1,000. We also have personalized travel reservations. So that means you can call MCA's member service department and they will arrange your airline, hotel, or car rental needs using your credit cards. Now let's get into the medical expense benefits. And this is personally one of my favorite benefits because when life hits you hard, you need to have a backup. If you go to the emergency room as a result of a covered accident, you can receive up to $500 with up to $100 payout for cast, splints, ambulance, anesthetic, x-rays, and ER room costs. We also have a daily hospital benefit, which we have a lot of members using right now as we speak. If you were hospitalized as a result of a covered accident, MCA will cover your stay for up to $150 per day for an entire year. So this is why this benefit is so huge. It's because let's say you work a job and you can't work your job because you're in the hospital. Let's say you're going to be in a hospital for 3 months straight. Do you know how bad that's going to impact your finances? Do you know how bad that's going to impact your ability to, continue working at your job and continue getting that income? This is where the MCA membership is going to come to your rescue, is by providing you with those finances. It'll make up for the amount of money that you lost by not being at work. We also have an accidental death benefit. Now, you probably noticed that at your bank, you received a form saying, hey, fill out this form by this specific date so you can be enrolled into our accidental death benefit. You will probably notice that on that form, they give you less than $5,000 if you were to die as an accident. Well, MCA has you covered because we're going to provide you an accidental death benefit of up to $10,000. And this is going to go to the named beneficiary on your MCA account. So you can make it go to your brother, your sister, your mom, dad, anyone in your family. They're going to receive a $10,000 check because you died as an accident. We also have additional options available up to $50,000 per member. Now, the worldwide travel assistance benefit is immediately going to outweigh any other benefit in this program, because let me go over this. We have 24/7 emergency medical assistance services worldwide. So that includes emergency evacuation and repatriation services whenever you are 100 miles away from home. So medical evacuation, medical repatriation, non-medical repatriation, return of remains. So let's say you travel to a foreign country and you were to pass away in that foreign country. MCA is going to help cover the cost of returning your body back to your home. Visit to hospital, return of child, and return of companion. So as you can see here, these benefits alone is going to be something really good to help you, especially when you're traveling abroad. So can you guess how much all of those benefits are worth? Well, right here, it's $19.95 per month for the total security plan, and that includes all the benefits that we just listed. Now, you're probably just as shocked as I was, because when I first joined MCA, I had no idea that you can get all of these benefits for just $19.95 a month. That's basically $5 a week. That is one less cup of coffee you can get at Starbucks, McDonald's, and you can use that towards something that's actually going to help you, and that's actually going to help save you in the future in case a situation comes about where you need to use these services. This is why we have millions of customers located in the United States and Canada. It's because of these benefits right here. These benefits, they're just too good not to have. And with our cancellation policy, you can cancel at any time, and you can actually get a full refund within 72 hours of purchasing the plan. You will be able to cancel your membership at any time with no cancellation fee whatsoever. We know a lot of companies out there, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg just to get out of the plan, but we've decided, you know what? We love our customers, and we know our customers love us. If we do have to separate paths, at least you can do so freely.